Welcome to the world's largest factory, a place where innovation and technology converge. Here, machines work together in harmony, stretching across vast assembly lines that seem to go on forever. The journey begins as raw materials arrive from all over the globe. Every component is carefully handled as automated systems ensure no delays in the production, making sure only the best make it to the assembly line. Automation is the backbone of this facility, ensuring that only the highest components at the next step of production. The seamless flow of materials marks the beginning of a flawless manufacturing process. Once sorted, the raw materials undergo preparatory treatments. From cutting and shaping to chemical processing, each material is smooth, efficient, and uninterrupted production process. On the assembly line, automation truly shines. Robots equipped with advanced sense and AI work alongside human operators, assembling components at incredible speeds makes second decisions. The factory is a model of modern hygiene standards. Advanced air filtration systems keep the production environment clean and dust-free, while workers and robots follow strict sanitation procedures. At every turn, quality control takes center stage. Advanced sensors and cameras constantly monitor the process. If any issue may arise, this to the next stage. The factory is a model of modern hygiene standards. Advanced air filtration systems keep the environment. The factory is a model of modern hygiene standards. Advanced air filtration systems keep the production environment clean and dust-free, while workers and robots follow strict sanitation procedures. As production wraps up, the products are delicately packaged for shipment. Robotic arms with vision systems carefully handle each item, ensuring they are securely packed and labeled with precision. Every product is carefully sealed and ready to be sent to customers across the world. For products with systems, the robotics are dished and labeled with precision. Every product is carefully tied to customers across the world. In the warehouse, the scale of the operation becomes clear. Thousands of products are neatly packed and stored, all prepared for shipment, reflecting the orderly and detail in every step of production. From start to finish, the factory operates like clockwork. Machines and robots work together in perfect synchronization, seamlessly passing each goods at an unparalleled speed and scale. Every step is a production process. This fallacy is a pearlbits of human ingenuity can redefine the manufacturing world. As we step back, the scale of the operation comes into full vision, creating a figure of a factory, a perch symphony of efficient, setting new standards for manufacturing worldwide.